Children, today we are going to start new topic pressure. In pressure, subtopic is thrust. Thrust is a pressure force that acts normally on the surface, means perpendicular to the surface. A body, when placed on a surface, exert a thrust on a surface equal to its own weight, means thrust exerted by body on a surface equal to weight of the body. Now, unit of thrust. In SI unit, thrust is called represent as the unit Newton. In CJ system, unit is dyne. 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. And in gravitational unit, thrust is the MK system is kilogram force, and in CJ system, gram force. So we can say 1 kilogram force equal to 9.8 Newton or near about 10 Newton, and 1 gram force equal to 980 dyne or 1000 dyne. Now, effect of thrust. The effect of thrust depends upon the area of the surface on which it acts. The effect of the thrust is less on the large area while it is more on the small area. Example, if a boy stands on a loose sand, his feet sink into sand. But if boy lie on that sand, his body does not sink into the sand. In both the cases, the thrust exerted on the sand is same, but the effect of different. When boy lie on the sand, the thrust act as larger area, and when boy stand, the same thrust act on the small area. Now, second example, when we hammer the nail with its flattened blunt in on the block, nail does not penetrate, while when the hammer the nail with the shaft in on the block, nail penetrate. Because of effect of thrust is more on the smaller area than on the bigger area. When effect of thrust is expressed in a term of quantity called the pressure. So what is the pressure? The pressure is the defined as the thrust per unit area. Now, pressure is equal to thrust upon area. It means P is equal to F upon A. Unit of pressure. SI unit. The SI unit of the thrust is Newton, and that of the area is the meter square. So, SI unit of pressure is equal to Newton per meter square, and 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. So 1 Pascal is the pressure exerted on a surface of area 1 meter square by a force of 1 Newton acting normally on it. In CJ system, unit of pressure is dyne per centimeter square, or 1 atmosphere pressure is equal to 760 millimeter Hg. Now, factor affecting the pressure. The pressure exerted on the surface depend on the two factors. First one, area on which thrust is applied, and second one, thrust. Now, first point is the area on which thrust is applied. Take an example. Take a box, mass of 10 kg and dimension given the 40 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter lying on the tabletop. In first case, the area of the box is the centimeter into 20 centimeter, and thrust exerted by the block on the table is equal to 10 kilogram force. Now, force applied is equal to F upon A, means thrust upon area. Here thrust is equal to 10 kilogram force, and area is equal to 40 into 20 means 800 centimeters square. Now, pressure will be 0.0125 kilogram force per centimeter square. Second case, when block turned so that it lies on the side 20 into 10 centimeter. So, the force thrust is same 10 kilogram force, but area changes as a 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Area is equal to 200 centimeter square. Now, force pressure is equal to thrust upon area. Thrust is given 10 kilogram force and area calculate 200 centimeter square. Now, the pressure is equal to 0.05 kilogram per centimeter square. Conclusion is that lesser the area of surface, more is the pressure, while the larger of area of surface is less pressure. So second point, dependence of pressure on a thrust. Example that a thin boy standing on a bed exert a less pressure while the fat boy standing on the bed exert the more pressure, because the pressure exerted by fat boy is more due to the excess weight. Now example of pressure on in daily life. First point is decrease in area, increase the pressure. Now examples, the end of nails are made pointed so that large pressure is exerted through the pointed end and they can driven into with the less effort. Second example, the cutting tools like a blade, knife, axe, etc. have the very sharp edge. The sharp edge have the very small area of contact, so pressure applied by the force is more. Now second point, increase in area, decrease the pressure. Example, camel can walk through the desert easily as compared to the other animals such as horse, donkey, etc. This is because camel has broader feet. Now second example, the foundation of high-rise building are kept wide. This is to prevent it sinking into the soil. The skiers use the flat and long skis to slide on snow. This is because due to the larger area, pressure exerted on the snow will be lesser and the skiers can easily slide without sinking into the snow. Heavy trucks have 6 or 8 tires because more number of tires are used to increase the area of contact and thereby reduce the pressure on the ground. Next, army tanks are usually very heavy, so they are made to move over broad steel tracks called caterpillar wheel of tank. These tracks are used to increase the surface area so as they reduce the pressure on the ground and hence avoid sinking of their wheel in the ground. Now next, wide wooden sleepers are placed below the railway track so that the pressure exerted by the rails on the ground become less.